Is your smart home tech starting to give you headaches? It's not uncommon for smart home wiring in your Bethlehem, Pennsylvania home to give you issues. From flaky connectivity to improper network configuration, our experts at Shafnisky Electric have seen it all. But regardless, there are certain things that you can do to solve these common issues without the help of professionals. Connectivity problems are among the most common issues. If your devices aren't responding consistently, try mapping out dead zones in your home. Sometimes metal ductwork or plaster walls can interfere with signals. Moving your devices around or adding Ethernet cables might be the solution you need. Also, if you notice your devices randomly rebooting, this could be a power supply issue. If your electrical panel is over 20 years old, consider upgrading it and installing dedicated circuits for your smart home hubs. Our Bethlehem, Pennsylvania homes can present unique challenges for smart home installations, particularly with smart switches. Smart switches require neutral wires, which many older homes lack. But don't worry, you can try smart bulbs or wireless switch solutions as alternatives that work with your existing wiring. Finally, proper network setup is essential. Position your equipment away from metal surfaces and HVAC systems. For outdoor devices, plan for seasonal weather changes. If you're still having issues, Shafnisky Electric is here to help. We have decades of local experience, knowing homes in Northampton and Lehigh counties, inside and out. Call us today at 610-435-2237 for a free estimate.